Jasper in front, Joanna behind. We're just going for a drive. Oh my days, Casper's going off. To slide out this corner. Funny on his car, he's got two dinger wheels on the back so he can skid, and he's got two proper wheels on the front. So rough.
Jana said he wants to find a spot where he can pull over. He can just practice launching it first into like first, second gear. Where do you reckon we can
go? Oh, I'm fucked. I don't know, bro.
The roads are alright though, down the other ones, the big ones. But I'm trying to think of a spot where you can, like an empty spot where you can chill and you can just launch it.
Off.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. I want to give you like enough space in it.
Yeah, I need space, bro. There, straight
follow that round. Take a left. Yeah.
Let's play us. Come. I'll follow you.
Let's try. Let's see what's there.
Oh my god.
Is anyone coming? Nah. That's understeered bears, bro. Why is it understeering?
It. Oh, that was fun.
Stop saying MDMA, bro.
What do you need?
With MDM off, it will let you do a 180 if you end up spinning out, innit?
Oh, right off.
No, I'm just saying if you don't hold it straight, it will.
Yeah, but it don't spin up on.
Yeah, it does.
That didn't really go sideways.
What, you want to go sideways?
Yeah.
Well then, yeah, MDM off.
Yeah.
That's what I was trying to say.
Turn it
Yeah.
off.
Only one wheel spinning.
I'm gonna do one MDMA off.
Only one wheel spinning. That's why it's letting you go sideways. Wait. You got a bit shook there, innit?
Forgot how fucking heavy your
Yeah,
fucking
awkward,
accelerator is.
What a diff like.
Shit, sounds horrible.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm breaking
Because my
your
bushes
car.
are fucked as well.
Bang that.
Rev it a little bit. Rev it to like 2.5, 3k. You don't have to be much because it's thing. And just drop the clutch, like fully come off it.
So rev it to 2.5 and come
Yeah.
off it. Right, tell me.
You can like, yeah, you can keep going around or something, and then just. Yeah, keep going. Stay on front. Foot off the clutch. Yeah. Yeah. More throttle, more throttle. More throttle. More throttle. More throttle. More throttle. Yeah. There we go. More throttle. That way.
Ooh.
There we go. How's the donut?
Yeah.
Every time you feel like it's coming off angle, add more throttle, and then if you ain't got enough angle, then
Your
more
one's
throttle.
like kind of hard to judge. I feel
Yeah,
like.
it's different than MX-5 and stuff,
Yeah. Because it's weird.
yeah.
I feel like you need to throttle your one a lot more than the
A lot
MX-5.
more. Yeah.
Should I do it from standstill again, or should I just boot it?
You can do it rolling, just put the clutch in, again, fully come off. There we go.
Fucking installed it.
Oh, you didn't, you saved it.
Oh, I saved it.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a fucking drifter.
Go on, kick it.
Oh.
Curve.
No, I'm just gonna do it from standstill again.
Alright, kick it. That way, other way, turn.
I keep going the other way
Keep
too
going
much.
completely the other way, yeah.
Yeah.
So that stops the rotation, and once you go the other way, innit?
I need to spin that way more.
Yeah. You should never be full lock left if you're turning right in a donut, because it will just end up not wanting to do it.
Fuck me. I can't do it, bruv.
I know what you mean. It's weird, isn't it?
It's very weird.
It takes a few goes. You have to just keep trying and trying.
I can't be arsed.
Yeah, the first one's great.
Yeah,
The first one's perfect.
it's bare hard in this, I'm not gonna lie.
No, I know what you mean, because the throttle, innit? You don't know how much
The
input.
throttle's
You don't know how much
bare
throttle
heavy.
input to put in, innit?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
But yeah, fun though. Fucking spun out, man.